How slim is the iPhone 17 Air? Stunning hands-on look and specs breakdown. When Apple drops the iPhone 17 Air this September, it's expected to turn heads, especially for how ridiculously thin it is. Rumors are flying that it'll be even slimmer than Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge, which already boasts a sleek 6.4mm thickness. But just how tiny is this new iPhone going to feel in your hand? Thanks to a leaked mold from China, we've got a pretty clear idea. This mold shows the iPhone 17 Air at a super slim 5.65mm, just a tad thicker than the rumored 5.5mm, but still unbelievably thin. To give you a better feel, imagine holding something so sleek, it almost disappears between your fingers. Now, all that slimness doesn't come without trade-offs. Apple appears to have sacrificed some features to keep things tiny. The Air will come with only one camera on the back, which is a single lens instead of multiple ones. And yes, whispers suggest the battery won't match the capacity of the bigger iPhones. But the real question is, how will it hold up in those classic bend tests? If you're curious to see the comparison and get a real sense of this super slim device, check out the video below. It's a rare look at how thin the iPhone 17 Air really is in hand, a must-see for anyone who loves sleek tech and has a soft spot for cutting-edge design.